In this tech tip, you will learn about synchronous assemblies in NX2312 CAD application. So before beginning to explore about synchronous assemblies, first go to File, Utilities, and click on Early Access Feature, where you will get a pop-up of Early Access Features window, and make sure that Assemblies option has been selected in the drop-down. And here again, make sure that for this option called as enables shape change with component positioning, the state is on. If it is off, then right click and select on. And after making these changes, close this window and restart the next application so that changes made will get applied. So after doing this, open an assembly called as Castrol AC.prt as shown here. And now go to Assemblies tab. Now in the position group, observe that this option is being called as move component right now, which is just beside this label as modeling component option. So now click on this option called as label as modeling component, where here you need to select the components that you want to make as movable. Like I am selecting these three components here, and the moment I click OK, now observe that the color of the components that have been selected changes. So this change in color indicates that the components are movable now. Also observe the one more change, that initially this command was being called as move component, but now it is only a move. And as it says, moves component and faces in an assembly. So this command is now with respect to the synchronous assembly. So therefore it has been changed. So now click this move command, and here you need to select the component or the face of component which you want to move. For example, I'm selecting this middle wheel, face in wheel, and when I click the specify orientation, so here I will get the direction handle where you need to pick the direction in which you want to move. Suppose I have picked this direction, translate along YC axis, and here you need to enter the value of distance for which you need to move the component. Suppose I'm clicking here 4, and if I press enter, observe that the selected components has been displayed from its initial position, where its initial position has been shown here, as you can see. And if I click OK, now observe that the selected middle component, is the wheel, has been lifted up by 4 inches, and both the side components, these are the side components which are the actual supports, have been adjusted their dimensions accordingly, as there are the assembly constraints between them, that is between this wheel and the support. So this is what the importance of synchronous assembly is, where the synchronicity between the components works only with the aid of the constraints between the components, unlike the parameters in case of parametric assembly or parametric modeling, where it utilizes much of the time, and here in a quick span of time we can analyze the changes. So this is the importance of the synchronous assembly. Now to deselect the labeled components from the label as modeling component command, that is to deselect the components that were being selected as the movable ones, again click on the same command, that is label as modeling component, then go to selection tab, and in the actions group click on deselect all option and click OK. So now you can observe that the components have been deselected. Now again, if you want, then you can select the further components to do the required changes. So this is all about the synchronous assemblies in NX2312 CAD application. Thank you.